Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to back up Microsoft OneNote. So let's get started. To begin the backup process, open the OneNote application on your computer. Choose File, then Options. In the OneNote Options dialog box, choose Save and Backup. On the right, under Save, choose Backup folder, then Modify. In the Select Folder dialog box, go to your backup folder. For example, you can use a private folder on your network or a USB drive. Choose Select to accept the new location and then click OK. OneNote will back up your notebook files automatically each week. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.